Alright, let's see if they restock. If there's anything at all. Nothing. Well. 0. They have nothing at all. One of our guys, our collector friends, found the R32 chase here. And I think it came from this set. So I guess when you're lucky, you're lucky. But there's nothing else. SpongeBob! SquarePants! Is there any chase on this Racerverse? Let me check. Alright, we found something and looks like we may have to unbox this guy. It begs to be brought home. So it's a good opener. So I think we might have to get it. So it's damaged, so we're gonna ask if we can get a discount from it. And that's it. So let's see if we can get a discount. So we were able to get a discount from this damaged card by about 20%. So yeah, it begs to be opened. I don't want to leave it there. That's it. The Supra Mark IV. Let's see what he's gonna do. What is he gonna do? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Oh. Come on.
A few moments later.
Let's see if they restock. Let's see if they restock. It doesn't look like they did. Huh. Nothing new. Oh, Samurai. Let's see what else. Nothing. They didn't restock at all. Oh, somebody returned this. Okay, so didn't find anything good. Nothing new. Yeah. Oh, is this? Oh, why is the card messed up? And it looks like a Joker.
It's Robin, but he's evil.
Evil Robin, and the card is messed up.
Look at this one. Is he good?
See, look.
Yeah, but is he any good?
Oh, I saw this at Ross. They were on sale. No, you shouldn't buy this. You should just get this at a Ross. Alright, there's nothing. Alright, let's go. I don't see anything good. Nothing hidden. Alright, time to go.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we finally got our hands on this diecast from JCar Diecast. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and crack it. So So I was only limited to 2, and according to JCar Diecast, if I bought multiple items, that when they set a limit, I would be my order would be canceled. So I didn't want to take a risk of getting from a different buying multiples of this casting. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we have. Okay, nicely packaged. Let me see if I can zoom out. I can't zoom out. Let's see. And here you go. Skeleton REXY. Wow, we got this at a very nice price without paying scalper price. It's gorgeous. Now REXY and my pink REXY has a partner, and I got the miniGT version of this Porsche, the REXY and REXY version. So, and this has been sought after based on what I've seen. People are trying to get their hands on this skeleton REXY. So yeah, I'm hoping to get another one, because I only got 2, because I want to trade, keep one sealed and open one, and we're one short. And right now I just can't open this for now until I get another one with a similar price. And there you have it, skeleton REXY. Okay, so we are finally going to open a Honda Odyssey from the H case. So let's go ahead and crack it. Why do I always have a hard time opening this guy? Alright, look at that. Boost time, anime. Who's in there? I can say what? I can fix that. Okay. No plate number. You got a panoramic view. So we have both sides, boost time. What's in here? Moto. Alright. Honda. Is there an Easter egg somewhere? It's a left-hand drive. What else is in here? So this is a 2015? What? Really? What's the casting? What are we looking at? From Malaysia. Alright. So we have that. It's a nice looking van though. I mean, you have your spoiler and you have your body kit. It reminds me of that guy that put a turbo on a Honda Odyssey. Can't remember his name. He's a Filipino guy. Junior. Oh, man, I'll look it up. Ooh, look at that. That's a Hot Wheel. Then you got a baby seat, car seat. Cool. Next thing we're gonna open is the Zamac Fiat Beast of Turin from HKs as well. So let's go ahead and open it. I've always wanted to open this Zamac, as we have the red one. We have opened up the red one. Look at that. Really nice looking gold accent front fender, front hood or front fender, and then you got your, what do you call this, side exhaust. Is this an exhaust? Same thing as the red one though. I should maybe look at it more closely as far, maybe it's an exhaust, I don't know. But the Zamac, compared it with the red one, they are nice. The gold accent is a pretty good touch to this Zamac. It makes the car or the diecast more lively. And a very simple looking combination, gold and Zamac. Even the red one is pretty cool. So that's a good casting right there. I mean, you wouldn't see this on the pegs, I mean, as far as a Zamac, but I still see this red one on the pegs, so go figure.